Okay, sign in. And then okay, so.
I got my first, which was 275. So I got my first, that was 275. So my second attempt, which was 292, I got that. And then my third attempt, which was 303, it was a missed attempt, but it's okay. Not beating myself up for it. We're here to have fun, meet new people, just really get to know the powerlifting community and like how it's growing, how everyone's so supportive. That's really what it's all about. Just coming here and having fun. You know, there's many more weeks to come. You know, I didn't get 303 this time, but maybe next time I can even get like 305, 310. 315 maybe. Like, you know, it's always try to look at it in a positive way. We got bench next, and don't need those negative thoughts in our head.
So just finished with bench, now eating some Subway.
So,
how did it feel about your bench?
What was my second attempt?
121.
I got 125.
It's a PR.
No, it's not.
It's a PR when the meet, the platform. It's always different from the gym.
So it's a meet PR. Even though in the gym I made 125, it's still a meet PR. But I was telling something that even though I didn't get 132, and I had it, it was moving, but my ass cramped. Like I felt this cramp in my right butt cheek, and I was like, oh. But I was telling him, I'm still very proud of my bench because this was actually the first bench session that everything felt perfect. Like my shoulders didn't hurt, I was tight, everything felt really good, and it's like I'm proud of that. Like that I finally got like a perfect setup, a perfect feeling for myself. Like it feels really good. You know? Over, guys. I got first place in Classic Raw 67 kilos and first place in Classic Raw Open 67 kilos. But fucking Larry, knowing his ass probably ordered fucking medals late, I'm gonna get my medals in the mail, so there's no picture today with no like, woo, Jessica! They're gonna come in the mail, it's okay. But I got 2 first places.
Let's go. You qualified too?
I qualified for Worlds. So November, Vegas. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the support and watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe and show us some love. And what else should they do,
Kelly?
Like and share the video.
Yeah!